Hello and welcome to Microwave Me. Today I'm going to be doing Otter Pops, or rather generic Otter Pops. You may be wondering why I'm doing this item, such a lame item, after I blew up a can of silly string. Well, you can consider this the calm before the storm, and the fact that it's just something I wanted to do a long time ago, so I'm doing it while I'm revisiting some of my old experiments in HD. And for those of you who asked, no, I'm not going to redo popcorn in HD. That's just dumb. You can do your own popcorn in HD. Anyway, I'm going to see how well Otter Pops perform in the microwave. This is a forewarning. The battery's low, so it may cut out in the middle of the microwaving sequence temporarily. But I assure you, I will stop the microwaving and plug it in and resume and give you as much microwaving as I can. Anyway, four minutes should do the trick. And that's about it. Well, video didn't cut out, knock on wood. All that happened was